What if I told you you could have a drop-dead gorgeous garden that practically takes care of itself? No more back-breaking work, no more endless watering, just pure, easy beauty. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because today I'm revealing the 10 best perennial combos for Zone 7 that'll save you time, effort, and still make your neighbors jealous. Hey there, busy gardeners! If you're tired of plants that demand constant attention, this video is for you. We're diving into low-maintenance, high-impact perennial pairings that thrive in Zone 7 with barely any effort. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned green thumb, these combos will make your garden look pro-level without the work. Let's jump in.
The top 10 combos.
1. Coneflower plus Black-Eyed Susan. Let's start with a powerhouse pairing that never fails: Coneflower and Black-Eyed Susan. These native beauties are the ultimate low-maintenance team. Coneflowers, with their striking pink or purple daisy-like blooms, stand tall, while Black-Eyed Susans add golden sunshine to your garden. What makes them special? They thrive in full sun and actually prefer poor soil, no fertilizing needed. Once established, their deep taproots make them incredibly drought-resistant. You'll get months of continuous blooms from early summer through fall, and here's a bonus: when winter comes, their seed heads provide food for birds. They're practically self-sustaining. Just cut them back in early spring and watch them return bigger each year. Plus, they're pollinator magnets, bringing in butterflies, bees, and beneficial insects to your garden ecosystem. 2. Sedum plus Russian Sage. Next up is the perfect solution for those hot, dry spots where nothing else seems to grow: sedum and Russian sage. This silver and purple combo looks like it stepped out of a Mediterranean landscape. Sedum, also called stonecrop, comes in varieties from low-growing ground covers to upright types with gorgeous fall color. Their fleshy leaves store water, making them incredibly drought-tolerant. Russian sage adds airy purple plumes that dance in the breeze and release a lovely herbal fragrance. Together, they create texture contrast that's visually stunning all season long. Even better, they're deer and rabbit resistant, rarely need dividing, and actually perform better in poor soil than rich garden soil. Just give them full sun and good drainage, and they'll reward you with years of carefree beauty. 3. Hostas plus Ferns. For those shady areas under trees or on the north side of your house, hostas and ferns are the dream team. Hostas offer an incredible variety of leaf colors, from blue-green to gold to variegated patterns, while ferns provide delicate, lacy texture. The magic happens when you layer them, plant larger hostas in back with medium ferns in front for depth. They naturally suppress weeds as they fill in, and their different root systems mean they don't compete for nutrients. In fall, hostas die back neatly, while many ferns turn beautiful bronze colors. Come spring, they'll emerge again with no help needed. Pro tip: add a layer of mulch when planting to retain moisture, and you'll rarely need to water after the first season. This combo proves shade gardens can be stunning without high maintenance. Now, if you're loving these so far, wait till you see the next 3. They're color-packed, bloom all season long, and bring extra benefits to your garden. 4. Daylilies plus Salvia. Want continuous color with zero fuss? Daylilies and Salvia are your answer. Daylilies come in every color except true blue, with some varieties reblooming all season. Their grassy foliage stays attractive even when not in bloom. Pair them with Salvia's striking blue or purple flower spikes for a color contrast that pops. The secret?
Daylilies have tuberous roots that store nutrients, while Salvia's aromatic foliage naturally repels pests.
Together, they create a vibrant display from early summer through fall. They're so low care, just deadhead spend blooms if you want. But even if you don't, they'll keep performing. Bonus: hummingbirds can't resist this combo, giving you free garden entertainment. 5. Coreopsis plus catmint. For a sunny spot that radiates happiness, try coreopsis and catmint. Coreopsis, also called tick seed, pumps out bright yellow, daisy-like flowers non-stop, while catmint spills over edges with soft purple blooms and fragrant gray-green foliage. This pair is drought-tolerant once established and blooms for months, with no deadheading needed. They're perfect for slopes or areas where watering is difficult.
The catmint will flower. You can shear it back by half after first bloom, and it'll bounce right back for another show.
Meanwhile, Coreopsis just keeps going until frost.
They're both rabbit-resistant and attract pollinators galore.
Plant them near patios where you can enjoy the catmint's lovely fragrance and watch butterflies visit the Coreopsis all season long. 6. Lavender plus yarrow. Create a sensory garden experience with lavender and yarrow. This combo pleases the eyes and the nose. English lavender offers those iconic purple spikes and heavenly fragrance, while yarrow adds flat clusters of flowers in colors from soft yellow to vibrant red. Both love hot, dry conditions and actually prefer poor, rocky soil over rich garden soil. They're perfect for sunny borders, rock gardens, or along walkways where you can brush against the lavender to release its scent.
Beyond being drought-tolerant, they're both pest-resistant and make excellent cut or dried flowers.
In winter, their seed heads add interest and provide food for birds. For best results, give them excellent drainage and avoid overwatering. They thrive on neglect once established.
All right, here's the game changer. These final combos aren't just beautiful, they're practically superheroes of the plant world.
Deer turn up their noses at them, drought doesn't faze them, and they'll thrive even if you forget about them for weeks. If you're battling hungry wildlife, or just want plants that can handle some neglect, these are your secret weapons for a stunning, carefree garden. 7. Bleeding Heart plus Hellebore. For shady spots that need a touch of magic, try Bleeding Heart with Hellebore. Bleeding Heart's delicate, heart-shaped flowers dance on arching stems in spring, while Hellebore, also called Lenten Rose, blooms as early as February, when most plants are still sleeping. The best part: once established, they form beautiful clumps that expand yearly without dividing. Their foliage stays attractive all season, and they actually prefer being left undisturbed, perfect for hands-off gardeners.
8. Ornamental grasses plus echinacea.
Create living garden art with ornamental grasses paired with echinacea. Try feather reed grass or switchgrass behind a drift of purple coneflowers. The grasses add mesmerizing movement and winter interest, while echinacea's bold blooms attract pollinators all summer. This combo is so tough it withstands heat waves, dry spells, and even poor soil with grace. In fall, leave the seed heads standing to feed birds and add winter texture. 9. Astilbe plus Heuchera. Transform shady areas into vibrant displays with Astilbe and Heuchera. Astilbe's feathery plumes in pinks, whites, and reds rise above Heuchera's stunning foliage in shades from lime green to deep purple. They complement each other perfectly. Astilbe loves moisture, while Heuchera tolerates drier shade once established. Both are slug-resistant and need minimal care beyond occasional watering and drought. Their layered textures create professional-looking designs effortlessly. 10. Peony plus Iris. End your garden on a high note with the classic peony and iris duo. Peonies deliver those lavish, fragrant blooms in late spring, while irises add striking vertical accents right after. Both develop more impressive displays each year without division, and their sturdy stems rarely need staking. Just give them full sun and well-drained soil, and they'll reward you with decades of breathtaking blooms, the very definition of low-maintenance, luxury. So there you have it, 10 perennial pairings that'll give you a jaw-dropping garden without the backache. Which combo are you trying first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your picks. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more easy, low-maintenance gardening tips. Now, go out there and plant something amazing. You've got this.